Hi, in this video, we'll be discussing GMAT Official Guide 2017th edition Quant Problem Solving question number 118. Let's have a look at this question. Look at this question here. The question has given us a fraction, some values, some decimal values in the numerator and some decimal values in the denominator. So it's a very simple simplification question. All you need to do is do the basic calculation. Don't do any extraordinary steps. Keep it very simple. Right? Let's try to get rid of this question as quick as possible. So 0.0030036. So you have four values in the decimal. So that means we can write this as 36 by 10 raised to the power 4. Right? So 28, 2.8 can be written as 28 by 10. So one decimal point. So likewise 0.04, right, 0.04 in the denominator, so we can write it as 2 decimal points, 4 by 10 square. Likewise 0.1, right, 0.1 can be written as 1 by 10 into, likewise 0.03, right, so 3 decimal points we can write it as 3 by 10 power 3, right, so 3 decimal points here. So now next step, right, probably if you don't know the basic exponent rules, quickly recollect it. A power m into a power n is always a power m plus n. Likewise a power m divided by a power n is a power m minus n. Same base, different power. Whenever we are producing, we can add the powers. Whenever we are dividing, we can subtract the powers. Likewise 1 by a power m is always a power minus m. So if you are bringing the numerator, right, bringing the denominator to the numerator, always write negative power we have to write. So here 36 by 10 to the power 4 into 10 can be written as 10 to the power 5, right. So 36 into 28, denominator will become 10 to the power 5. While we try to bring it to the numerator, this will become 10 to the power minus 5. Divided by 4 into 10 square into 10 cube. So you have 6 tens here, right. So 4 into 3 is 12. So 12 into 10 to the power minus 6, right. So you have 6 tens. So a power m divided by a power n is a power m minus of minus n. So that means here 5 get cancelled off. So you will have is 1 10 which is in the negative, because which is in the positive, because you will have this 10 power to the minus 10 to the power minus 6 bringing to the numerator will become positive, right. So in fact, if I have to write this as 10 to the power minus 5 minus of minus 6, so that means this will give you 10 to the power 1. So 12 3 times is 36, so that means 28 into 3 into 10 should be the answer. 28 3s are 3 8s are will end with 4. In fact, all the answer choice end with 4. But one thing is very clear, that it cannot be a decimal value, so we can eliminate C, D and E. So 28 into 3 is 84, 84 into 10 is 840. We can eliminate B as well. Answer has to be here A. I hope this is clear, right? Answer has to be here A. Keep things simple here. Don't do any extraordinary steps, right? So if you know the basic calculation, you can arrive at an answer as quick as possible. But before doing this calculation, if you are looking for some process of elimination, always we can eliminate here 0.84 and 0.084, because we know for a fact here tens are in the denominator, right? In the decimal points here, 4 by 10, 1 by 10, 3 by 100 when we write here. So all the tens are in the denominator. When we take it to the numerator, it will become, right, into 10, right? So 1 by 10 will become 10 when we take it to the numerator, and in fact the number of zeros in the numerator is lesser than the number of zeros in the denominator. By saying so, we can understand that this cannot be a decimal value, so we can eliminate C, D and E, right. Also, right, you can see that 4 and 3 12 is definitely going to divide the numerator, right. So it's going to be divisible only, so you can eliminate the answer choices C, D and E. Before proceeding, all you need to do is make sure you do the you make sure that you count the zeros properly. So answer has to be here A. I hope this is clear. Thank you.